Hey guys, just doing a quick little video of the strip down. This is going to be a part 1 of a part 2, part 3 series of this Gilera runner rebuild. First part's obviously just stripping it down, getting it to the bare frame. Part 2 will be painting the frame and the fairings, and the part 3 I think is going to be the motor and getting it started and running. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. Just finished stripping the bike. It leaned out. It was leaking oil from this seal. It wasn't leaning from anywhere else because I remember checking before it blew, but I didn't check here because obviously I had the side cover on it, and I never thought to check the oil seal. But it ended up chipping the piston. But if you look around the skirt, it's definitely leaned out. Like I said, I had the jetting perfect. It was running good for a while. Always run my jetting fat because I don't want this to happen, but I definitely think that was the cause of it. Air was getting in from there. So guys, take your cover off, look at your stator, check behind it, see if it's leaking. happy with how today went. Literally got it all stripped down to the frame, got the frame degreased, washed, sandpapered, ready for painting. Now it's drying. Yeah, so the next video will be it's getting painted. See you then.